back to my channel. So for this week's video, I am going to just kind of combine a bunch of footage that I have filmed over the past few weeks, I guess. These clips are just kind of a random assortment of just things that I filmed throughout the holiday season. Some of it is before Christmas, some of it is after Christmas. None of it actually is Christmas itself because I wanted to not film that, just to enjoy the time with my family. So there's no actual Christmas present opening for you. I'm sorry about that. But I did, however, film my puppies opening up their presents.
Good job.
Are you hiding with your new toy? Hey, it's okay. Do you like it? Do you like it?
She doesn't want us to even see it.
She's like, no, this is too good.
Get the duck. Come on. Get the duck. Get him. Oh, good job. Get it. Oh. Yeah. Come on. Get that duck. Get that duck. You got it. Come on. Get the duck.
Status update on that. Her toy is destroyed now, and so is the cute duck. Unfortunately, after you open up presents and after the crazy few weeks that I've had filming, or not filming, after the crazy few weeks that I've had making up all of these presents and trying to just keep on top of stuff, the housework kind of got away from me, and yeah, it was rather scary. Needless to say, it took a long time for that to actually be cleaned. It is clean now. Well, actually, it's messy again now. That's just the life of living now. You clean it to get it messy again. I feel like it's a never-ending vicious cycle. So the next clip that I have is like kind of random. I randomly decided to film myself making homemade pizza one night, so here is that. Bet you didn't know my husband was a pizza wizard. I am such a dork. So this might have been the next night or the same night. I don't actually remember when we actually went. These clips are from a spontaneous trip that my husband and I decided to do to try to get into the holiday spirit. My husband and I decided to head on over to a specific amusement park. People who are local probably know where this is, but yeah, it's kind of close to us, so we decided to hit up their holiday fest that's going on, and I guess I'll just take you guys on through that. And my husband is in the car, and this is really awkward to film with him in the car because I usually kick him out. Do you have anything you want to say? No? He's shaking his head no. We'll see if we can get some elusive shots of him throughout the evening. He's also shaking his head no.
We will not.
Oh yes he was, with a corn cob, a nose and 2 eyes made out of coal. We're singing about Frosty the Snowman. Was a fairy tale, they say. You don't say. Frosty the Snowman was alive as he...
And my dear, we're still goodbye. But as long as you love me so, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
So after we took that little trip to see the holiday lights, we headed up to go see my husband's side of the family for Christmas. My husband and I have a tradition of going and seeing this one tiny hole-in-the-wall Vietnamese place. We used to live up where his family lives still, and we used to go there all the time when we were dating. So we went ahead and went there. And I got myself a bowl of pho, and I was so happy about it. So with full bellies and happy hearts, we went on the 5+ hour drive back home. Now, we were actually thinking that we were super smart in the fact that we were like, oh, we're gonna drive home on Wednesday because the day after Christmas is a terrible day to drive home. Everybody's gonna be going home then. It was still really bad on Wednesday.
Monday, happy days. Tuesday, Wednesday, happy days. Thursday, Friday, happy days. Saturday, what a day. Rockin' all week with you. This day is ours to be mine.
But after 8 hours, we managed to make it home, and we're safe and sound, so I can't really complain. And in the days after Christmas and after we got back home, we kind of just vegged out. We really didn't do anything. So I don't have any clips to show you of the past few days from Wednesday to now. I have just been planning out projects or possible projects that I would like to do for this new year. I'm excited for the new year. I feel energized. I feel like I can do so much more this year, and I have awesome equipment now, and I am so excited to do more projects and to do them in higher quality, and I'm just really pumped. Now, if anything is weird with this video, please forgive me. I am still learning how to work all of this fancy stuff. I've just been filming on my iPhone for so long. Anyway, that is the video for this week, guys. I hope you guys all had amazing holidays. I had a great one. I really enjoyed spending time with my family and my husband. I never get to see him that much, and it was such a treat to just spend every day, all day with him. But I will see you guys on Saturday, and I hope you all have amazing rest of your weeks. You can do it. I know it's really hard to get back into the groove of things after a really long vacation or just a vacation in general. But you can do it, and I wish you all a happy new year, and I'll see you guys on Saturday. Bye!